Alright guys, let's be honest. If you've been trying to eat high protein, you've probably been stuck eating the same sad, dry, plain chicken breast every single day. And don't even get me started on that canned tuna smell. But here's the thing, high protein meals don't have to taste like punishment. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 high protein meals that are cheap, quick, and actually taste good. No more bland meal prep misery. So before we get cooking, let's set the record straight. Protein is basically the building block for everything you want. Muscle growth, recovery, staying lean, even keeping you full so you don't crush an entire pizza at 11 p.m. And here's the kicker. Most guys your age need way more protein than they think. If you're 180 pounds, aim for around 100 for 40, 180 grams a day. But that doesn't mean you need to choke down chalky shakes or sad chicken. Let's hit meal number 1. First up, the high-protein breakfast burrito. Forget boring egg whites. We're making this taste legit. Scramble up 4 eggs, 2 whole, 2 whites if you want leaner. Add a half cup of black beans. Yep, beans are protein and fiber. Toss in some lean turkey or chicken sausage. Wrap it in a whole wheat tortilla with a little shredded cheese and salsa. Boom, you're sitting on about 40 grams of protein, and it actually tastes like a meal you'd want to eat, not just choke down. Next, the Greek yogurt power bowl. This is perfect if you're short on time or need something post-workout. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Don't go for the sugar bomb flavored ones. Mix in a scoop of whey protein. Suddenly you've turned a decent snack into a protein powerhouse. Top it with berries, maybe a drizzle of honey, and a handful of granola or nuts for crunch. That's another 40 plus grams of protein. Plus, it's creamy, crunchy, and sweet. Basically, it feels like dessert, but it's actually fueling your gain. Alright, dinner time. We're making a beef and veggie stir-fry that smacks way harder than plain rice and chicken. Grab 6 oz of lean beef strips. Toss them in a hot pan with garlic, soy sauce, and a splash of sesame oil. Add frozen stir-fry veggies. Don't overthink it, frozen is fine. Serve it over rice or cauliflower rice if you want lower carbs. This plate is 50 plus grams of protein, loaded with flavor, and it doesn't take more than 15 minutes. Faster than ordering Uber Eats, and your wallet will thank you. So let's recap. You've now got a breakfast burrito that doesn't taste like cardboard, a Greek yogurt power bowl that works like a post-workout cheat meal, a beef stir-fry that's cheap, fast, and actually satisfying. Between those 3, you've covered breakfast, snack, and dinner. And you're packing in around 130 grams of protein in meals that don't suck. Pro tip, season your food. Spices, sauces, hot sauce, zero shame in using them. Protein is great, but if it tastes like drywall, you won't stick with it. If you're tired of bland chicken and boring meal prep, hit the like button so more guys can escape dry chicken prison. Drop a comment and tell me which meal you're trying first. Or if you've got your own high protein hacks, share them below. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week, I'm doing a $50 healthy grocery challenge. You won't believe what you can get for cheap. Stay fueled, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.